Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to never miss a video from us.
Hello everyone and welcome back to Vskills. And today we are going to talk about top 10 ways to learn ReactJS. Well, ReactJS is currently one of the most popular front-end web development frameworks, and there is a high demand for developers who are proficient in ReactJS. Learning React can help you land a job in web development, which is a rapidly growing field. But remember that learning ReactJS is a journey and it takes time and practice to become proficient. So it is important to keep practicing and to be not afraid to ask questions and seek out resources when you need them. So now let's look at some of the top 10 ways to learn ReactJS. At number 1, we have Familiarize yourself with ReactJS documentation. The ReactJS documentation is a great resource for beginners as it provides a detailed guide to getting started with ReactJS. At number 2, practice building simple ReactJS components. Yes, the best way to learn ReactJS is by building simple components. So start with simple components and gradually increase with the complexity as you gain more and more experience. At number 3, work on real-world projects. To truly master ReactJS, you need to work on real-world projects. Look for open source projects or contribute to existing projects to gain practical experience. Coming on to number 4, which is to join online communities. Join online communities like forums, Slack groups, and GIT Hub to connect with other developers and learn from their experiences. Number 5, take online courses. There are many courses and tutorials available that can help you learn ReactJS. So look for courses that are geared towards beginners and provides hand-on experience. At number 6, we have read blogs and watch videos. Read blogs and watch videos from ReactJS experts to gain insights into best practices and learn new tips and tricks. Number 7 is to use online code editors. You can use online code editors like CodePen or JS Fiddle to experiment with ReactJS code and test out different features and components. At number 8, we have practice debugging. Debugging is an important part of any development process, and ReactJS is of course no exception. Practice debugging your ReactJS code to identify and fix errors. Number 9 is to participate in hackathons. Yes, participating in hackathons can be a great way to work with other developers, learn new skills, and build a project from start to finish using ReactJS. Coming on to our last point, which is to attend workshops and meetups. Try to attend workshops and meetups in your local area to learn from other developers and get hands-on experience with ReactJS. And remember that the key to learning ReactJS is to stay curious, practice consistently, and seek out new challenges to expand your knowledge and skills. So what are you waiting for? Without wasting any time, start your preparation with Vskills ReactJS Developer Certification. And if you like the video, then remember to smash the like button and subscribe to our channel for more such videos. All the best.
Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to never miss a video from us.